Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best food steamers. So let's get started. Number 7. Hamilton Beach 37530A. This 5.5-quart electric steamer has 2 tiers that stack for cooking then nest for more compact storage, so it's both large and small. You can use just one tier for cooking when you don't have as much food to cook, or use both tiers when you're cooking for a crowd. The tiers have a removable center divider, so you can keep the broccoli from frolicking with the carrots, or remove the divider to cook a large fillet of fish. The rice bowl can be used for rice or for other small foods that need to be contained, like peas or corn off the cob. When cooking is done, the steamer automatically switches to a keep warm setting for 1 hour before turning off to avoid overcooking the food. Speaking of settings, there's a digital touchpad that makes controlling the cooker easy. Number 6. Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer. If you don't like the idea of cooking in plastic, this steamer has a 5-liter glass cooking pot, a stainless steel steaming tray, and a glass lid with stainless steel trim. All parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The LCD control panel includes start/stop, pause, and reheat buttons along with pre-programmed food setting to make cooking easy. You can also set the controls manually for custom cooking. The steaming system delivers the steam from the top down, surrounding the food and cooking it quickly and evenly. The water tank is removable for easy filling. 2 handles on the steamer tray make it easy to remove the cooked food. This is available with either stainless steel or white exterior trim. Number 5. Oster Double-Tiered. If you're not sure you'll be steaming enough food to warrant a high-priced appliance, this 5-quart steamer has plenty of features and a budget-friendly price. It has 2 tiers with transparent steaming bowls for cooking foods separately. The timer can be set for up to 60 minutes, and the steamer turns itself off when time is up. For safety, it will also shut off when the water reservoir is empty. There's a power indicator light that shows when the steamer is on, and easy-to-operate controls for setting the cooking time. The food bowls are top-rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, and they nest for more compact storage. Number 4. Anolon Classic Steamer. This steamer insert fits onto just about any 2-, 3- or 4-quart saucepan, including pots with straight sides and those with tulip-shaped pots. The steamer rests on the sides of the pot, so the food in the steamer bowl remains well about the simmering water. The steamer is made from stainless steel and has a shatter-resistant glass lid that fits snugly and keeps the steam contained, while also allowing you to peek into the steamer to watch the progress of the cooking. The steamer and lid are dishwasher safe. If you have a use for it, the steamer is oven safe to 500 degrees. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Silicone. If you don't want another appliance on your counter, this silicone steamer will fit into any pot with a 7-inch diameter or greater, and it rolls up for easy storage. The stay-cool handles make it easy to lower food into the pot. Not only can you use this steamer on the stovetop, but it also fits neatly into an Instant Pot or other electric pressure cookers, multi-cooker, or rice cooker. The handles lock together to keep them out of the way when you seal the cooker's lid. Silicone is naturally non-stick, so it's easy to clean, and it's dishwasher safe too. For even more versatility, it can also be used in the microwave. Number 2. Mr. Kitchenware. Bamboo steamers are traditional for Chinese dumplings and dim sum dishes, but they're just as handy for steaming vegetables, chicken, and fish. This set includes 2 stacking steamer baskets plus a domed lid, so there's plenty of space for dinner and sides. The 2 baskets can be used together when there's a lot to cook, or they can be used separately. The baskets are 10 inches in diameter and designed for use in a wok, but can also be used over a pot that's an appropriate size. This set includes a sample of 10 disposable basket liners for foods that might stick to the bamboo, so cleaning is easier. Since the 10-inch size is standard, it's easy to find additional disposable liners that fit the baskets, as well as reusable silicone liners. It also includes a set of chopsticks that can come in handy for placing and removing the foods, and a sauce dish that can come in handy when it's time to serve. Number 1. Progressive International Fish. Perfect for steaming vegetables in the microwave, this handy steamer holds water in the tray below, while food sits above on the perforated basket. A clear lid sits on top and has a tab on top that slides to hold or release steam during cooking. The hot steam circulates during cooking to evenly steam the food without it getting soggy from sitting in water, and without drying out. This is also perfect for steaming fish, simulating the en papillote technique without the need for fussy paper folding. To get more flavor, the tray can be filling with flavorful liquids like stock, juice, or plain water with herbs and spices added. This holds 1 quart, so there's plenty of space for cooking, and it has a non-stick surface for easy cleanup by hand or in the dishwasher.